current situation in the house, in the living room. All the tools and everything lying all over the place. It's all in pieces. Wife's not too amused. But whole job is stopped now because I don't have a size higher than this. I don't keep this at 20. I don't know what this is called. Yeah, I do, but not a tool that will work. I just told everyone about the stuff in the lounge.
Could not stay there forever.
Cool, the next day and I brought some help. Need the reinforcements, yeah. Busy putting in the liner, the whatever, I still don't know what this thing's called. And then we greased up the tracks and stuff, and then it's gonna put the glass in and it will go in. So what you want to do as well is in here, it's where the track runs. There's a bunch of little pieces of dirt, so I'm just taking a brush and making sure it comes out. See all this gunk here? See it there? Yeah? It's the gunk in there. Get it all out. Yeah. Just haven't been recording the whole time. And we're gonna test it now quickly. This one goes with this one, yeah. You wanna hold that? Goes here, goes in there. Where's the key? Key is in the door.
Those are your airbags.
Eh?
Your airbags.
Yeah. Okay. Let's have a look, see what happens. Let's close it. Oh, there we go. Closed. That works. Yeah, so there we go. It's all in and adjusted. Sitting here for a while, trying to figure out how to reset this thing. But yeah, so in the like more or less closed position when you got it back, you got this little gear here, this little piece here in the motor that you can turn it so that it sits here. Then sunroof switch. If you push this down for 20 seconds, you hold it down for 20 seconds, it will pop up in its half moon. After 20 seconds it will move slightly. That signals that it's in its learning phase. Then I held it full back, held it down until it went all the way back and stopped. Then again forward all the way until it stopped. Turn the car off, turn the car on. Now it's mint, 100%. I just got to put everything back in. Yeah, this car is looking like ish, but it's getting there. And then we're busy on the outside here while the dogs are barking nicely. Busy trying to get the intake manifold off. Loosened all the bolts. I'm just battling with this little bugger here. Otherwise it's out. And then do the saw flaps and put the old DGR back. Just waiting for fabricating the new one to fabricate the new one, and we sorted. Get off.
Okay, so over here you see me now sanding with 2000 grit sandpaper. This is taking all the old glue off. You have to take all the older glue off to stick so that the new one sticks nicely. Wasn't such a great idea doing it on the lounge floor because that stuff eventually stuck to the floor. It took some doing to get it clean, but it was cleaned. So that's it for this video. In the next one we'll be covering with the fabric after all the glue's been taken off. See you guys next week.
Look at his little doggy prints.